Hi, this is Frank for Walking for Health and Fitness. Now, I created your first walking group to go hand in hand with my Walking for Health and Fitness website, the books, and the YouTube videos that I produce and publish. These are all on the benefits of walking. Now, I saw firsthand during the early stages of the pandemic and the lockdown here in New Jersey that people needed to get out and exercise. Now, along my regular walking routes, I saw many new faces, which was great. I also saw many people not taking basic safety precautions, such as walking and facing traffic, okay, and wearing reflective gear in the evening when they walked. So I want this group, your first walking group, to be a go-to resource for beginners and experienced walkers alike. Why do I encourage you to join a walking group? Well, one, there's a sense of community. Now, in this age of COVID, you may not be able to walk with other people or many other people. Okay. In this online group, you can get to know other people that share the same walking experience as you. Number two, this group is here to give and receive encouragement. Now, this is the coach in me coming out. Walking is the easiest way to get in shape and stay in shape. And I find that sharing and working with others, whether it's my students or people that I communicate with online, gives me a good feeling, and it gives me a feeling of making a difference in what I'm doing. Number three, you can discover and learn new things from one another. Places to walk, audiobooks, music, workouts, how to take pictures, or the thoughts that are in your head as you walk. Okay? And number four, share your knowledge and passion with the group. Tell us about the area where you walk. Tell us about your world. Why you walk in that particular place. What interests you have, stuff like that. So me personally, I like sharing where I walk. I like sharing the pictures of the different locations. I like taking pictures of lawn ornaments, statues people have on their property. They're interesting mailboxes, golf balls that I find on the road. I seem to be a golf ball magnet. I love teaching Photoshop. I've been a high school cross-country coach for 20 years. Now, everyone has a talent. Share what you know to help others. So click the link in the description and join your first walking group and help others and yourself move forward in 2021. This is Frank for Walking for Health and Fitness. Walk on.